right, today is day number 2. And I have my work ahead of me. So I'm gonna start in the bathroom so at least we can start using the plumbing in here. So let's get dirty and then get clean. I'm corny, you're gonna figure that out. I'm pretty sure you just did. I'm not really a wiener. As you could tell yesterday, the walls are just covered in smoke, and the bathroom isn't horrible, but it needs a once or twice over. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today while Rob's at the store grabbing some stuff, and hopefully we can just start tackling this place head on after I get this bathroom done. So, here we go. I do have good news. The water is warm, which means the hot water tank is working. That's awesome. Before Rob left, he turned on the water heater. It's nice to know that it's actually up and running. You gotta take these little wins when we get them. I need my rubber gloves before it touches the nasty stuff. This is like the only job I hate doing. It's so gross. Especially when you know it's not your toilet or your grind. It's now our toilet, but it's not my grind. You got any Hollywood bulbs?
Hollywood bulbs. There's I got a new shower curtain. You can get rid of that one. I did not get new hooks. No hookers.
I would hope not. It would take a lot of them to hold this up.
I think one could do it. One talented hooker.
I mean, technically they do know how to work a pole.
Oh no, it's just a totally different profession.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh no. Crossing streams here.
Woo, we got a light. What are you doing? Yay.
Get away.
You can deuce it up.
Don't lean on this thing. Now I have to place it right this second.
When I do my business, I don't try to lean.
People do.
It's not like a car. You don't lean into it. It's like you lean into a turn. A little bleach. It's like tobacco stuff. Well, minimal smoke.
Non-smoke right in here. Minimal smoke, maximum smoke. Did you watch this?
Yeah.
What is this money? First thing we always do is switch to LED bulbs. Oh, look at those cabinets.
Right.
You sure you want to show that cabinet?
Yeah, why not? This is officially the cleanest thing in the house. Now let's see if Rob is done painting. I bet you he got the bathroom painted in the same time frame that I've cleaned the fridge. Only because he's a quick painter, not because I'm a slow cleaner. Let's go ahead and see if Rob is done with the bathroom. I just made a bet.
What'd you make about?
That you were done with your painting. by the time I was done with the refrigerator.
Or primed or cut in.
There you go. I was like, he's a fast painter, so there's a good chance he might be done with the bathroom. Let's go check.
There's a lot of cut work in here.
Yeah, I'm sure.
A lot of cutting.
Doing a real good job. Time to go spy on Rob and see how the bathroom is coming out. So as you can see, looks real good in here. Anything looks better than what it was looking like before.
Yep, just finishing up the second cutting and it will be ready for top coat.
Cool. A nice dark gray for that cabinet would look cool.
Yeah, we'll come back on that. I want to paint this and that, but not yet.
Where the cabinet used to be is all opened up. We can open the door all the way. It's a beautiful thing. What are you liking the toilet?
Yep. So clean you could eat off it.
What did I tell you about that?
What? Eating off the toilet?
Yeah. Such a bad habit. Just look at that view. It's just perfect. Drink your morning coffee while you're watching the cows graze. What a beautiful sight.